Habakran ka jinghelang rakhi ka singi persha drugs but khayi brio ha ka perthai borok ka wailane ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking kabla penlong da katanat social welfare ringkat ka jigitrai lang katanat pulit ha ka arpendretari ujulio arda pulai ha susutam auditorium usumbot menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya ubari khmi katanat kampo yeng uba Prestone tensong ulaong baulam bau dumaru de drugs hendrai usngok man baniatho bau la sange no ka jingdi Sikret jong u la bnai menta Uniu noi lam ka sarkar MDA2 ulaong baga jing joru drugs sa kanong ba para ka jalahi borok kawai kalong ka jing ma ka bakraw ula pen pau ka jing ai khublei ka Khasi Students Union ki seng balang ki kunhon balang ki biatre lang banya kon persya yo drugs dak ba ai khublei ka tanat pulet ka ban nakapor syakapor ka yakon persya ya ka jingwan rung drugs uba Prestone ula kentu ya baro pan wan sekmat ban penlongai ka jala Meghalaya ka balaj no drugs.
And I'm so happy, I think on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, the central body of KSU, they declared in the meeting, let me place it on record, when they talk about the subject of drugs, they decided to join the government and to eradicate this very dangerous habits which is spreading throughout the state of Meghalaya. So friends, I'm so happy to see that the KSU is partnership with us. I call upon all the stakeholders, other NGOs, all religious groups, religious leaders in the state of Meghalaya. Let us jointly walk together. And I'm sure within no times we'll be able to make Meghalaya a total state free from drugs. I just had a little discussion with CM. He requested me, hey, why don't you do one thing awang? Because let me just tell you one thing. I just stopped smoking. I was a chain smoker, I just stopped smoking last month, 25th of May. So yesterday I counted, it's now exactly 1 month. Then when I seen, while preparing this document, the dreams, I look at it, tobacco also is one of the drugs. So I said, oh my God, I'm looking after home. Number one, I should stop myself. So I did it. I would like to request others also to join me. Let us make Meghalaya the healthiest state in India.